Alright, so you need some motivation on getting more customers for your cleaning business. I'm busy, I gotta get to somewhere, but check this out though. My guy Sean Richards from Clean Biz Network gonna show you how to do it. Let's go.
Good morning to your CBN family. Sean Richards from Next Clean Specialty Cleaning Solutions. How you doing this morning? Happy Thursday to you. Yep, happy Thursday to you. I hope that you are doing your best to grow your business, achieve your goals. Sean Richards just thought I might check in this morning with you and drop a few gems, you know what I mean? Keep you guys updated on the things that are going on. And I just gotta say, man, that God is good. And this group has been very, very, very instrumental in me helping me achieve certain things in my business and just overall growth potential. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to let you know, man, this morning I'm heading out to a walkthrough that came from my cold calling team that's in the field right now, actually out of the country doing their thing. And this has been a wonderful opportunity to achieve something great and, leave my mark on the industry and actually see if we can land some huge contracts. So I'm going out there, I'm late, I'm pressing it, but hey, man, I still got to keep pushing. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep forwarding and putting one foot in front of the next and keep that momentum going. This is what I want to just share with you. Like, you got down days and you got days where you doubt whether, your plan is going to work or not. And I just want to say to you, stick it in there. You know what I mean? Keep in that game. Don't never surrender. Don't let yourself limiting beliefs defeat you. And keep coming up. Keep coming up for air. If you feel you're drowning or you're suffocating, come up with some air and go right back down in it. You know what I mean? Because it's the only way for you to keep moving and to keep pushing forward. And if you're being doubted and you're being lambasted or somebody is around you that's negative, you got to get away from them. And let me jump right into it too, right? So I've been landing some contracts in an Inspire Care network that I landed since the beginning of the year, but I've been trying to land a particular contract for the longest, man. And the office manager, she for some reason she wasn't giving me the hearing, or I started internalizing stuff. Maybe they don't want to give me the job. You know what I'm saying? But to make a long story short, since November, I submitted this proposal to this particular site in the network, and I've been waiting. I put in a touch every month, sometimes twice a month, just to remind her that I'm here, I'm in the game. I really want to serve your network, and I want to grow in this particular office in particular. But I think she was just testing the system to see if we operational, if we could actually, execute at a high level. And that's I pride myself on having my team execute on a really, really high and sophisticated level. I think that if we're in business and we're not in business to do our best, let's don't even be in business whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? Because it's your name, it's your company, your reputation means everything to you. So I just want to say right now that when I open up my phone this morning when I'm running late and I'm saying, and the doubt demons are attacking me, saying, you might as well turn around, you're already late. It don't even make no sense. Why don't you go do something else? I'm like, nah, I'm pushing through because it's better to be late than never, all right? So, trying to wrestle through those psychological warfare that takes place in the mind of a business owner, an entrepreneur, and everybody's mind in general. Look at my phone, man. And sure enough, an email came in from this same urgent care system that I've been hunting for since last November, right? Oh man, I even put the email down like, man, I don't need no disappointment right now. I'm trying to stay positive. I don't even want to read it, but I got to read it, so I opened it up, and the email actually said, man, that she is finally ready to move forward with us taking over her urgent care system as well as her primary care location. And man, I'm just elated right now. I'm just like, whoa. I wish I could read it for you guys. Let me read it for you guys. Hope all is well. Hi, Sean. I hope all is well. I'm finally ready to move forward with the cleaning services for Haddon Township offices. The attached proposal were what you sent me back in November. If you would like to come back to take a look at our space again, I can meet with you there. Please let me know as soon as possible. when you would be available to start. I will need to give my current cleaners notice. However, that can be done quickly. Thanks. Looking forward to starting with your company and heading to. Hey man, this is what this entrepreneur journey is about. Those wins. Oh, we take a lot of losses, but when the wins come, they just negate the losses. So I've been after this for a minute. I landed this, well, the contracts I initially landed was since in January. And I've been after this particular site along with the ones I landed since November. And man, I almost gave up, but I'm like, you know what? You got to stay in the game. You got to keep, sending an email, maybe a phone call. Hey, today, everything is coming to fruition, right? She wants me to start that contract, so we already gave her proposals. I'm just about going in there again and probably signing on the dotted line. And Tuesday, we start another facility in that same network that we landed, boom, off a referral, just like that. So now, man, as I told you guys, there are 44 locations in that system. We started with 1, we're up to 5. This will be number 6, so we're making progress, my people. Stay in the game, CBN. Time's gonna get rough, things gonna get hard, but do not give in. Do not give in. Keep pushing. I don't care what you gotta do. If you gotta link up with some people just to keep you motivated, you do that. Whatever you got to do to stay pushing and to stay moving forward, you got to do that. Sean Richards of Next Clean Specialty Cleaning Solutions, heading out to a walk through the day. I just picked up the phone to read that email and I saw like another appointment came my way. I don't even want to look at that right now because right now I'm swamped. And today is my son's graduation from high school too, right? He's going to just jump right in with me. I just want to keep you guys posted too. Happy Thursday to you. Keep pushing. We got a lot of things to accomplish in life. It's going to be hard. It is hard. Don't kid me. This game is rough. But it's worth it because you're building something that most people will never build, all right? Sean Richards again of Next Clean Specialty Cleaning Solutions. Check it in. CBN, you rock, man. Keep motivated. I love you guys. Peace.